desire and for your dreams to soar. Science, technology, engineering, and math is really the gateway to so many things for our young people, but it just feels like it's not attainable. And so today we want you to get in there, we want to get your hands into it, we want you to feel it, and we want you to let your imagination and dreams soar so that you can really be yourself as part of students and know that it's something out of you.
Science and technology and engineering and math is all around you, as my friend from Step was reminded me. And we are really, really happy to let you guys put your hands on it today and see where your imagination can take you.
What have you ever met an NBA player? This is Jamie Johnson from the Atlanta
I'm with the camp superstar. We all going up, straight up to the stars, we all know. Shooting the ball, we make it in. We are going far. We're camp superstars making shots.
Believing ourselves with all we got. Climb to the top, we'll never stop. Yeah, I like to cheer. Happy to be here. I got no fear. Smile for here to here today. I like to stay fun, cause it can help you to be safe. I love the Hawks are the best. I love basketball, I'm up next.
I like the Atlanta Hawks because I be balling like a hawk. I like to score a 3-pointer like Trae Young and 2K20. Man, I love the hoop. I can't wait to be taller so I can dunk the alley-oop.
1, 2.